In this video, I'm gonna show you how to Coinbase wallet something went wrong. First of all, check for updates. Ensure that your Coinbase wallet app is up to date. Sometimes bugs or glitches can be fixed with a simple app update. Then restart the app, close the Coinbase wallet app completely and reopen it. This can help refresh the app and resolve temporary issues. After that, check internet connection. Make sure that your device has a stable internet connection. A poor or intermittent connection can cause errors. Then clear cache and data. If you are using an Android device, try clearing the cache and date for the Coinbase wallet app. You can do this by going to Settings, Apps, Coinbase Wallet, Storage, then select Clear Cache and Clear Data. Then reinstall the app. If none of the above steps work, try uninstalling the Coinbase Wallet app from your device and then reinstalling it from the Google Play Store for Android or the App Store for iOS. The last one is contact support. If the issue persists after trying the above steps, consider reaching out to Coinbase Wallet support for further assistance. They may be able to provide specific guidance or solution tailored to your situation. So that's how you can solve Coinbase Wallet something went wrong.